Yeah guys, short video here about how you can create a one-by-one Android widget for your phone or tablet where it shows the available space on the phone. So even though a lot of phones and tablets come with 128 gigabytes or even 256 gigabytes, when we add a lot of apps and are doing a lot of video recording and other stuff, it can still fill up pretty fast, and so this could be very helpful. I've tried to find a solution on my own. I thought that would be super easy, just downloaded a couple of things and haven't been successful. Then I asked Google and AI and they also couldn't help me. And so I had to do more research and finally found a solution. And so I thought maybe it's not so easy. And so my video could also help other people who are in the same situation. I mean, of course, the result is not looking super fancy here. It just says internal SD card 75% available. But for me it's super helpful because I've already been a lot in this situation that I wanted to start a video and then it stopped, started it again, stopped again, and it took me some time to figure out what the problem was. So what we have to do, of course, is to download an app. I mean, some phones have some built-in solutions. For example, Samsung has this widget here. It's called App Info in the device care. And so you can add this thing, but the problem is when you want to resize, and that's also a problem with most of the other widgets. As soon as you make it smaller than 2x2 or 1x4, something like that, then usually the information disappears. So I make this smaller, you can see it's gone. I think also when I make it smaller like that, it's gone. I mean, I still keep it here on the second page somewhere, but it doesn't fit for my very compact, very crowded first page. So what I've downloaded is the Android System Widgets. That's this one here. If you don't want to search for it, you can find the link in the description of the video. It has a lot of stuff here. And so what we get then, of course, is this icon. But of course we want to get the widget, and so we just long press, of course, and then we add this widget here. And so that's the one here. It says actually SD card widget 4x1. You can see it's actually a larger one. So why have I been able to make it so small? That's actually in the settings of the app. So you have to normally open this app here, click on proceed, and then we have to go down here to the SD card widget. And so here we have the choice to make it small, choose even super compact with no bars. And so these are actually already the two things which you have to choose to get exactly this thing here. Just one by one. You can see it's not larger. When I make it wider, it's not showing more information. I would have to go back to the settings and choose something else. For me, definitely works. I mean, again, it's not super fancy. When you click on it once, it will even show more details. For me, that's definitely enough. And so I would say that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have found a better solution, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.